You can purchase a bench plate from your watch material houses that looks like this one here to do your work on. And if you notice, it's got grooves along the edges here so that screws or other parts that roll off will get caught in these channels. I've used this for a long time, but I prefer using working on top of cloth because this is a slippery surface and things do tend to bounce and roll easily, even though they sometimes get caught in the channels, but not always. There are different types of movement holders that you can use. These are some old antique ones, probably from the late 1800s, and these are adjustable. Just turn the screws on the bottom to adjust to the size of your watch, and the watch just sets in there and then you can work on it. Some of the newer ones, these are some aluminum ones that I have. Here's one and here's another one that's a little bit smaller. See, it doesn't fit that watch. It fits this one. But they come in different sizes, and also you can buy plastic ones which come in an assortment of sizes, and I've also seen wooden ones. But you'll need to get a set of movement holders because they're invaluable and they make working on your watch so much easier. For magnification, you can use these OptiVisors, and they come in different powers. This one here is a 2 power lens, and this one is a 3.5 power lens. And this little extra loop here adds another 2.5 times magnification. But for watch repair, you're going to need 3 to 5 power magnification. So this one by itself would not be strong enough, only by the fact that it has this additional OptiLoop that makes it stronger. But many clock repair people tend to use these, and not so much watch repair, but they are comfortable to use, and you would need the most powerful one they make, which would be the 3.5 at a minimum to do general work. Most watchmakers use a loop. This is a 10 power loop, and this is a 7 power loop. Sometimes they'll use as much as a 20 power loop for really close examination, but you can very easily get by with a 10 and a 7, or you can also get a 5, but this happens to be a 7. Now you would need to hold this in your eye like a monocle, but that may be difficult for some people, so you can also buy these wire bands, and you could, this goes around your head and holds the loop up to your eye. Now you can have it set up this way, which would go into your left eye, or just turn it around the other way, and the loop can be held into your right eye. You can also use a clip-on magnifier, which clips onto your glasses. In the down position is where you would be doing the work, and then you can flip up to when you need to look through your glasses through normal vision, and then down again to have the magnification that you want. Similar to this one, many watchmakers will use the clip-on double eye loop, which clips right onto the glasses, clips onto the one side of your glasses, and you have 2 different loops that you can switch between with 2 different powers.